Start with the edge roll of your mat that does not have a flap. Roll out the edge roll and position it where it should be placed in your facility. Slowly unroll mat number 2, keeping it aligned with number 1. Once roll number 2 is unrolled, place the roll about 2 to 4 inches on top of roll number 1. Carefully shift the mat until rolls number 1 and number 2 are aligned. Then, carefully pull roll number 2 away from number 1 until the flap nests into the skive area. Firmly press the flap into the loop side, ensuring the flap is flush with the skived loop side. Watch for gaps between the seams. If you see a gap, realign the adjacent roll until the gap is eliminated.